Guys, today we are heading to Wakan village on a cloudy and rainy day. So let's start our journey. We are in a wrong route, but found a beautiful camping site, so thought to share with you. We found the right roundabout, and here we have to take the left turn while coming from Muscat.
Hi guys, welcome to Wakan village, but this village is now unfortunately closed for tourists for COVID restrictions, but I can show you the village and the scenery. So let's start. That's the scenery you get from top of the village. Now it's totally cloudy. It's kind of rainy day today. gate is closed due to COVID restriction, you can see. But yeah, it gives you a nice view. Mountains are full of clouds. It's cold here today. It's windy and cold because it's kind of a rainy day today here. You can see there is a board, so we can't go to the top of the village. This is the last point we can visit.
Now we are preparing to take a nice photo in the Wakan village. Instructing them to stand nearby me so that we can take a nice photo with the background of the village.
So it's time to go back.
We are for sure will come back to the village one more time to go to the top of the village to have a clear view of the village during the pomegranate flower season. So for the time being, bye bye, take care.